Hi, I'm Henry Abreu of Talino EV Systems, and I'd like to introduce our company and our vision for the future of electric vehicle technology. At Talino, we have had the luxury of the following. Number one, we were able to build our own electric vehicle. It's a electric motorcycle which we call the Aguila. The second luxury that experience that we've had, is that we've actually been able to deploy our electric motorcycle in a real-world tricycle operation. The third experience that we have is that we've built our own technology. It is the Talino Battery Management System, BMS for short. We have now a vision of our business model for electric vehicles. I would like to segue into why we think that is such. Here we have the typical price curve of various vehicle classes. Up here we have the Corolla, and here we have, let's say, a Ford truck, and in the motorcycle we have the Kawasaki. This is the curve that the market has settled into. We know that if you price the particular class of vehicle at that particular point, that it's going to sell a lot. We call this curve the pricing sweet spot. Let's take a look at the car. The electric vehicle equivalent is a Chevy Volt. And the Chevy Volt, as we know, is priced much more than the Corolla. There are electric trucks that are being shown in the market, wherein, let's put the point where an electric truck is here. What we're saying here is that the green premium is not linear. The green premium we would expect is actually almost exponential. The reason for this is the green premium is based on the amount of battery that you need for a certain vehicle. And the amount of battery that you need is dependent on the amount of energy that you want to put in. Here's a graph that shows both the initial cost and the operating curves of an electric vehicle and a gasoline vehicle. At some point in time, obviously, there will be a break-even point because of the lower cost of operation of an electric vehicle. The problem these days is that this break-even point is so much into the future, probably around 7-10 years or even more. As we mentioned, the Talino business model is we would like to operate on the motorcycle, two-wheel electric vehicle space. Why? Because two-wheel based vehicles are the dominant form of transportation in most of the countries in the rest of the world. Our goal is to try to bring the green premium down to almost zero. That being said, what happens when an electric vehicle approaches the pricing sweet spot? If you look at the electric vehicle space right now, the Chevy Volt has some sales, but much lower than a Toyota Corolla. There are e-trucks in the market right now, and the sales are almost zero. Now one would ask, what happens if an electric vehicle gets into or near a pricing sweet spot? That phenomenon has actually happened. It's happened in China, and it's happened in the bicycle space. Because in China, electric bikes have gone very low or close to the sweet spot, they've actually sold 150 million vehicles. Our goal is to get into the electric two-wheel vehicle motorcycle space, and we suspect that if we get our electric vehicle into the right sweet spot, we are going to be in the knee of the curve in terms of sales. You might be asking, how is this possible? How can it be done? And what are the opportunities? The secret really is the technology we've built into the Talino battery management system. This allows us to get to a green premium of equal to 0. At this point, we would like to have the opportunity to talk to you more about our business model. Thank you.